What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I've been in Philly for the last week and been doing a little few things here and there, this and that. Anyways, I'm exhausted, tired, just got back in, been dying to drive my car, dying for what the cold start is gonna sound like. So I'm just walking over to my garage here. Let's get a nice cold start, and I got some cool news to share for you. One of the coolest whips that I drove when I was in Philadelphia. All right, so good sign, the car's still there. Hasn't been stolen, still looking primo. Let's get her started up. All right, let's go, boys. Cold start, let's go. Get into Sport Plus. Give her 10 seconds, and then we'll give her a couple revs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it sounds so good. So good. So that nice grumble. Let's take it for a little ride. So this video is not going to be the longest video. I just want to cut to my time with the 2023 Porsche Carrera 911 GTS Cabriolet. Ran into a buddy of mine who just got an allocation, one of 200, 480 some odd horsepower, tons of torque. You know, Porsche underrates their number at 3.20 to 60. My buddy told me he's clocking it at 2.9. Anyways, let's cut to the video. This is going to be a really short video. Back in Philly, or excuse me, back in Toronto, tired as hell. Gonna take my baby for a little ride here, and I just wanted to share my experience with the beautiful 911. So awesome. Let's cut to that right now. Intoxicating. The sound. Every time I take my foot off, get it a little. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's so cool. Yeah, I love that. That just that quick